Hey there, this is Alexis and Flo from Still Studios, and we would like to present to you the Tiny Tetra house.
Yeah, so with this project, we seek to explore how we can create beautiful architectural design with thoughts on sustainability and just trying to be of less impact with our prefab homes in specificity, trying to use a material that is recycled. So I've been doing architectural design for a few years now, focusing on various scales of residential homes and hotels and resorts. And with Still Studios, we have a certain range of parameters that could be physically less impact on the terrain of a project, and then also be sensible with materials and hopefully get some innovation into that.
So the first project that we completed as Still Studios is the tree houses that we built here in Canggu, Bali. And the second project is going to be the Tiny Tetra house that we are preparing to build now in Uluwatu. The house itself is a 64 square meter studio with a full interior, so you have a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, outside area, terrace, so it will be fully possible to live there completely all your life.
So the design drivers of the Tiny Tetra house were that primarily to use this recycled material from Eco Bali. We also create awareness to show that you can actually use a material like that in a sort of high-end architectural design context.
The important thing to understand about Bali and the waste problem we have here, as well as in many other parts of the world, there's much more waste produced than recycled. And I think it's one way for us to have a very small contribution in this circular local economy of waste production and recycling. So the building start for the Tiny Tetra house for our first prototype is going to be in August. For the Kickstarter project, we are aiming to raise a smaller part of the cost. For us, actually, the most important part is the community involvement and your feedback.
Yeah, because architecture is essentially a form of communication. So we'd like to include your communication with us.
Yeah, so we would be really humbled for your support, and ultimately we would love to have you stay someday in a Tiny Tetra house.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.